Tempura? 2016, the year ruled by Kylie Lip Kits and Anastasia Beverly Hills. Cut creases and snatched eyebrows. The Better Than Sex mascara, also known as BTS. If they couldn't see your highlighter from outer space, did it even count?
Child.
Everyone was beating their faces to the gods, whatever that means. And I was no exception. 2016 was the year that I and millions of other people learned how to do a glitter cut crease.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
2016 was the year that glam makeup became everyday makeup. I wore this to school. Why don't we do this anymore? What happened to us? We used to be a proper country. But according to TikTok, 2016 makeup is making a comeback. Now, I don't know if this is true or not, but I certainly hope it is, because I'm feeling inspired. I'm sick of the same old clean girl makeup looks. Where's the drama? The glamour? The pow! Well, today, we're bringing it back. So let's go back in time to 8 years? 2016 was 8 years ago? That can't be right. Holy 2016 makeup is fundamentally different from the makeup of today. So basically, we're doing everything opposite and backwards. In 2024, I would have started with foundation. But in 2016, you gotta start with eyebrows. The eyebrows are the window to the bad bitch beat. So buckle up, this is gonna take at least 30 minutes. You need 2 essential products to do your eyebrows in 2016. Number 1, the Anastasia Dip Brow. And number 2, a full coverage concealer. You're also gonna need a really sharp brush like this one. You guys seeing that tip? Look at that, wow, precision. Okay, I actually haven't done this in like 8 years, so I might be a little rusty. Wait, where's my mirror? Hold on. Found it. 2016 eyebrows are all about precision. You need a steady hand and a firm grip. See, look, this is a great example of what your eyebrows should have looked like in 2016. Here's another good example, but this one's pretty photoshopped. So I just got my eyebrows waxed, so this is gonna be real easy. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip my brush into the Anastasia Dip Brow, like so. And you wanna just outline your brow. Oh my God. You want it to look like a rectangle, like a perfect, beautiful rectangle. Oh my God. We love a strong brow in this house. Trying to stay in the lines, but it's kind of hard. But it's okay, because we're gonna clean it up anyways with concealer. Look at that difference. Wow, gorgeous. Now that's an eyebrow. And then you want to take a flat brush like this. I'm gonna cover it in concealer and use this to clean up my eyebrow. Of course, normally, back in the day, in all the makeup tutorials, they used to do all this off camera because it would take that long. Or were they hiding something? See, that's an eyebrow. Then of course, I have to take my beauty blender and start blending this out. But I can't use a dry beauty blender, okay? I gotta use a wet beauty blender. And we have to wet it with our Fix Plus spray. Wow, you know what? The concealer really makes a difference. Oh my God. Oh, wait, why do I gotta like it? Ooh, she looking snatched. Yeah, look at that. Why do I look so good already?
I actually did it myself. Yeah.
Okay, now I have to do the other eyebrow off camera.
A few moments later.
Remember that your eyebrows should be sisters, not twins. Why do they look so different? That's okay. We'll fix it with concealer. You know, fix it in post. Fix it in post. Carve out your eyebrows. Okay, we're definitely looking a lot more even now. And also, don't worry about blending out the eyebrow concealer too much because, you know, we're just gonna cover all of this with foundation later. So now that we have our perfect 2016 eyebrows, it's time to move on to eyes. You always do eyes before your foundation, otherwise you're gonna have a big mess on your hands, let me tell you that. And you could use primer to start off your eyes, but I'm just gonna use my handy dandy concealer. Yeah, just slap that on there. You wanna use a lot. If you feel like you've used too much, You're wrong. You're gonna wanna just blend that in with your beauty blender. Get it all the way up into the eyebrow. And then you can either set this with a translucent powder or you could just use a neutral eyeshadow. Today, I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette. Yes, they still make these. This is a brand new one. I bought it yesterday. So to set my concealer, I'm gonna use this color here called Raw Sienna. Ooh. Tap off the excess. And just pat that in. That's just gonna set my concealer, give me a nice base for the makeup. I think I wanna do a really classic pink look. So I'm gonna use the color Love Letter, which is this pink shade right over here. And I'm gonna use this to create a really romantic look. So a 2016 makeup look is the kind of makeup look that doesn't really look like it's making sense at first, but at the end it'll all come together. I promise. Well, I can't actually promise that because I haven't done this in 8 years. So it might be awful, but I'm gonna try my best. Don't be afraid of putting too much eyeshadow. 2016 is all about too much eyeshadow. You wanna go deep, dark, dramatic. I went through a phase in 2016 where I only wore black lipstick. It was like glam, glitter cut crease, and black lipstick. Was I okay? And this right here is why 2016 makeup would take 2 hours to put on, because you're just sitting here putting on layers and layers of eyeshadow over and over and over again until your eyelids are burning. It looked really pretty though. This is why them bitches was doing shit off camera. It's already looking real good though, real good. It's looking nice. And then I'm gonna take a different brush and I'm gonna go in with the color, girl.
Today drained me.
Cypress Umber. I've always loved that name. Might name my first child that. Just give it a little bit more drama in the crease there. Ooh, she's looking dramatic. Next, we're gonna take our handy dandy concealer again. Oh yeah, she's gonna come out a lot. And we're gonna start cutting this freaking crease. We're literally just gonna pat it on. That's what I do. I just pat it on and very carefully, I just cut out a little area here. You can do whatever the heck you want later. I need more concealer, but that's looking really good. Let me reiterate, this is not a tutorial, okay? Don't follow what I'm doing. This is pure muscle memory. Is that a straight line? No, but that'll do.
That'll do.
I'm filling that in with a super, super light color. This is the lightest shade. It's called Tempura? It's named after my favorite sushi. And it's just literally going over exactly where I went with the concealer. And then you're gonna wanna just start blending this out right at the crease part. So there isn't such a harsh line. I'm just gonna try and blend them together. That crease is looking cut. Now the cut crease is not really complete without some glitter. Oh yeah, that's real cute. I used this glitter from Stila. It's the color Perlina. I really like this one right now. Now I'm gonna use this Stila eyeliner. This used to be my favorite eyeliner in 2016. Nowadays, I do my eyeliner kind of like straight across like this. But in 2016, you gotta do the cat eye. So I think the general rule of thumb was that it had to like kind of reach the corner of your eyebrow like this. So that's what we're going for. I think it was something like that. And if you ever mess anything up, you just go over it with a makeup wipe because we haven't even put on our foundation yet. Okay guys, now I gotta do all this on the other side. It's been an hour already. My lips are getting dry, look at it. They're shriveling up. Okay guys, we've made a lot of progress on this other side. This side's always better because it's the second side. I've got more practice. This is turning out real good, guys. I feel like at the end of this, I might be a bad bitch. All right, guys, now we gotta pull out the big guns. Yeah, that's right. I'm talking about Lily lashes, specifically in the shape Miami. A 2016 makeup look is not complete without a huge oversized lash. Hell, that's what I'm talking about. I'm telling you guys, a lash like this makes you feel powerful. Looking good. Now we can start foundation. It's been an hour and a half. I am gonna prime my face with some Fix Plus. Refreshing. So foundation in 2016 was all about full coverage and matte. I'm gonna be using the Born This Way foundation. And I'm gonna use a lot. Really slap that on. I don't wanna see a single pore on this face, baby. Go over the lips, go over everything. Our goal is not to look natural. It's actually to look unnatural. And don't forget to get down your neck. Then you gotta go in with your handy dandy concealer. This is when highlighting and contouring was really, really popular. And you would put on a lot of concealer, like a lot. Down your nose, on your chin, and on the forehead. Can't forget the forehead. I remember just sitting here doing tons and tons and tons of blending forever and ever and ever. Those were good times. This is the part that really gave your face some shape, you know? You just go up like this and your face is just suddenly like supermodel. This was always my favorite part of makeup because my round face suddenly had some shape to it. Now we're gonna set this with some translucent powder. And when I say we're setting this with translucent powder, I mean a lot of translucent powder, like a lot. And we're gonna use a technique called baking where you would just let the powder sit on your face. While this is sitting here, I'm gonna grab my bronzer and I'm gonna start bronzing up my face. And you're just gonna put a ton of bronzer, okay? Like a ton. We're carving out the cheekbones, okay? It's not supposed to look natural. It's supposed to look snatched. For me, this is where the look really comes together. Gosh, I haven't put on this much bronzer in years, guys. This is fun. My face is starting to hurt though, so I think I gotta start blending out this powder. Oh. Baking your face is not for the weak, let me tell you that. Okay, really quickly, we're gonna go back into the eyes. I'm gonna take that same color love letter that we had on earlier at the top, and I'm just going underneath here, just to even out the eyes. You don't want the bottom of the eyes to be like totally blank. It looks incomplete. And I'm also gonna put mascara on the bottom lashes. We're almost done, guys. Only 2 more steps. Oh my God, you guys, I almost forgot about nose contour. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure my nose is super defined with some nose contour. And I also like contouring my lips. Just to put a little extra shadow under here, make them look plump. 2016 was the year of the lip filler. So we're gonna make our lips look real fat and juicy today, okay? Real big. So I'm gonna take my MAC Chestnut Liner, a classic, and I'm actually gonna over-align my lips. So I'm going past my natural lip line because I wanna over-exaggerate my lips. So you just wanna line your lips until you feel like you look like a Bratz doll. That's really it. Next, I'm gonna grab a lipstick from Anastasia. I want something like very neutral. So, let's try this color. It's the color Warm Peach. Oh yeah, that's nice. And then last, but certainly not least, highlighter. Highlighter might be the most important part of all of this. Ooh. Oh. You're gonna put on so much highlighter that I can see you from outer space. In 2016, there's no such thing as too much highlighter. No such thing. Yes, glow, darling, glow. Yes. I feel the 2016 entering my body.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Finally, you're gonna grab your Morphe spray and just go to town.
Yes, Gaga, you look so good. Oh my God, yes. Gaga, you look beautiful. You look so beautiful.
Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I look like in 2016. It's like looking into a time machine. This is glam. This is it. The lips, the eyes, the highlight, the contour. Yes. She's glam. I love this. Can we bring this back? This looks so good. Why did I stop doing this? Oh yeah, because it took 2 hours. but it was worth it. What do you guys think? Did I do a great job recreating 2016 makeup? Would you go back to 2016 makeup? Let me know in the comments below. It is a lot of work, but it does look pretty good. I feel like there's some things I would do to update it, maybe a little less highlighter, damn. Maybe a little more natural of a contour, but otherwise, she's looking pretty good. I don't think I would wear this to school again, though. Can you imagine waking up 2 hours early for your 8 a.m. class just so you could look like this? I didn't have to imagine it because I did it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what other makeup styles you want me to try in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget that I love you so much.